Another beautiful Dahlia painting. It's all dried, it dried well. Check out today's creation video. I use a spoon to swipe this petal of this beautiful Dahlia. I simply pour paint on canvas and then swipe the paint outwards, creating these beautiful petals. Check out today's video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you so much for being here. For all my new viewers, I want to say welcome to my channel. Guys, I have great contents to share. I have come up with this great idea of creating dahlias by swiping paint, pouring paint on canvas and then swiping it outwards to create a beautiful petals. And then by adding more layers, you get to create a beautiful dahlia. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my channel. I do have other great videos that you can check in my playlist. You guys can go ahead and check that out as well at your own convenience. And I want to say thank you for all my returning viewers and my returning subscribers. Thank you guys. You guys are my biggest supporters. I do love you all and I do appreciate all your support, all your kindness. And of course, guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit all, ring that notification bell, and you have to hit all so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Alright guys, so let's get into today's painting. The color combination, of course, the colors will be listed in the description box below, but I want to talk about the reason why I chose this color. You know, I do love purple. I really do love purple, but I wanted to make this one just using white, so white and purple. So it's actually just two colors. The base coat is white and a phthalo green, and the color is purple and pearl white. So I actually just two colors I'm actually using for the Dahlia painting. All right, but I really wanted to have more white in today's painting. You know, I have been studying dahlias. I've been looking at so many different pictures of dahlias, and I saw this beautiful one that had, you know, clean edges, you know, where the purple is along the outside. So I was hoping to create something like that. So guys, let me know if if you've seen a dahlia that looks somewhat like this. I love dahlias. I think they're so beautiful. There's so many different varieties out there, guys, and the colors, oh my goodness, I love them. Different sizes, different shapes, oh my goodness. You know, go and research them, especially if you don't know much about dahlias. They're beautiful. All right guys, so thank you so much, and I want you to stick around and stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. All right guys, so don't go away. See you at the end. But before I go, as always, I just want to mention quickly that, especially for my new viewers, that each time you swipe with a spoon, you need to wipe that spoon clean before you swipe again. All right, I know I'm not really showing my napkin, but I am swiping and then wiping it on the napkin. All right guys, if you want a more in-depth tutorial, you guys can check out video number 78 or video number 72. That's my white dahlia and my purple dahlia, where I go more in depth. All right guys, and of course my paint consistency, how I mix my paint, is also listed in the description box below. All right, so thank you guys, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Thank you. Alrighty, let's check out the close-up of the wet result. If you guys were watching, you guys probably noticed that I was really trying to, for the center of the dahlia, I was gonna do like a bud instead of making an open flower, more open petals, but it wasn't working out, so I just, swipe it outwards to create more petals. But look at this, guys. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The colors, oh my goodness. Even if a painting does not go the way you want it, the colors are always so beautiful. It makes you want to just fall in love and just keep doing it. So that's one of the reasons why I keep doing my dahlias, and I want to create different varieties by painting them on my canvas, so yeah, let me know, guys, what you think about today's painting. All right, the petals are a little bit smaller than my pink dahlia, so there's just different varieties of dahlias. All right, guys, so let me know in the comment section below what you think about this one. And here it is, all dried. It's beautiful. That phthalo green, when it dries, it dried a little bit dark. So yes, guys, it's not black, it's green, but it brings out the contrasting colors. It's just amazing against the white with the purple. It's amazing. I love it. I'm so in love with today's painting. It's just amazing. I love how defined the petals are. I love the outer edges, how the purple is on the outside. I just love it. It's amazing. Isn't it amazing, guys, the fluid art? Knowing that you can just simple pour paint on canvas and then create something magnificent. I love this art, guys. I really do love it. Painting with the paintbrush is always fun and easy, and even drawing is also easy. But with the fluid art, it's challenging, and it really challenges your creative side of your brain, and it's very freeing. I love it. Why stick to the paintbrush? Why stick to a pencil? Get up, pour paint on canvas, and be creative, guys. All right, I challenge you. I want you guys to get up and do something fun. So check out my playlist. And of course, I will see you guys next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.